So I want to share with you a very cool example, a visual example of what the best organizations do. This is known as the sigmoid curve. Now, if you've had a sigmoidoscopy, you probably don't want to think about it. So you can also call it the S curve. The S curve is a beautifully simple visual representation of reaching our potential, of making connections, of being determined. The S curve is a representation of the beginning and end of any life cycle. And on the lower left-hand side is the beginning of an idea. As you move up that S curve, people are working hard and you're trying to make connections and you're trying to reach your potential. And ultimately, you do reach your potential. You get to the top. And just like a roller coaster at a theme park, it's going to crash. It's going to come down. This could be a period of weeks, months. It could be decades. It really depends on the product. It depends on the market. And what I see in the strongest, best teams with the most creativity are the ones that realize that sooner or later this ride is going to come to an end. And the best leaders, the best teams that have the most creativity are the ones that realize at point X, as I'm showing now, at point X, just as you're pushing this idea up the hill, is when you have to start throwing new ideas into the mix. Just when everybody's thinking, oh my gosh, how do we juggle more things come in. And you have to juggle even more. And so as you're pushing even more ideas up the hill, the idea is, metaphorically, can you throw more S curves into the air? Can you juggle even more ideas?